Lexus ES 300. How to change the turn signals on the front. Open the hood. It's under here, right? Bloody mess. What you're looking for is here, so you just need to follow down there. It's right here, so just follow this guy. Follow this guy down and look for the wire. We're gonna go deep into the bowels. All right, so we're going to the bowels of the Lexus. Oh, what do we have here? Ooh, what do we have? Here it is. Ooh, there it is.
There you are, there's the light.
Oh, we need to go on wide angle. Right there. You can see it. Actually, there's something else there. There's like a, oh, there's something else, but you can see it. It's right here. It's this guy, right here. Just click it, quarter turn. Doop, doop. There it is. In our case, there's nothing in there because we took it out. There it is.
Oh, that's
Give me the bulb.
That's the bulb.
Tuck it in. I don't think it matters about the polarity because it's a bulb. You put it in the same way you took it out. You just...
Did you turn this one? Because I didn't turn it.
Okay, don't talk. Just... Okay, see now, even if it's the wrong way, just keep on turning it clockwise till it kind of goes in. And then just... Listen. Here we go. Ah, there we are. Done.